Today it's Wednesday, May 29, 2024. This is the engine from the E63 from the States. Inside of the washing area, on the stand. Oh, one thing that's pissing me off, but this is me, alright? You see where's the crankshaft? See where's the stand? I've said 1,000,000 times, align this with the crank to be in the center. Never mind. What's the plan? The plan is stripping off the engine, get the timing cover, the engine block, the crankshaft bearing caps, send out the machine shop to put the sleeves. Now, I clean this area here. I didn't clean the floor because it's gonna be a mess. A couple of tools, I'm waiting the toolbox now to bring it to me, the guys. I'm start working on the engine. If I see something wrong, then I'm gonna make a video. If I see something, let us say anything wrong, up on the camshafts or on the connecting rods down or whatever, it will gonna be on the video. Now, parts like the connector for the solenoid, some pulleys, the oil cap here for the thermostat, and some other stuff. This I'm gonna keep it again because you can change the bearing if you want. You don't have to change the pulley, you can just change the bearing. So the consumables, the parts like gasket seals, plastic covers, the extension cable there, I'm not gonna put it on the video, obviously. I will gonna put it in one box because it goes back to the owner. It's gonna be collected all in one box. The same thing also for the pipe here for the heater core, alright? The breather, I wanna see what dates the breather. Maybe the owner, he changed it because I see some marks here on the bolts and looks fresh to me. If he changed it, let us say it's 1 year old, you can use it. That's my point. You don't waste the part. Otherwise, throwing. This cap, it's for scrap. It doesn't matter that it's here back. The O-ring for the coolant temperature sensor. In general, the O-ring for the vacuum pump, the O-ring for the high pressure pump housing. These things, they're going for scrap, they're going in one box, returned back to the customer, and I'm putting here the healthy parts. Yeah, what I need to keep. Let me start working on the car, on the engine, sorry. The oil filter I'm throwing in the garbage. I'm not putting in a box because it's gonna be full of oil, obviously. I was saying to don't wear gloves. I said, okay, come on, take it out. I wear gloves. Why? I took the two insulation that has here, and then you see this. Enjoy. I hope that some of you don't have a dinner right now, or lunch, or whatever. Alright? Shit. Dang it. Dang it, dang it. Yeah, lovely. Fucking amazing. Okay, gloves. Then another one thing that I saw, it's the adapter here to get the boost reference. Is it? Yeah, because the check valve it goes on top. Yeah, the check valve is on the. Yeah, this straight through. Okay. The check valve is on the pipe that's connected here to the vacuum pump here, and then goes to the body. All right. Hey, lovely. Let's start. It's gonna be nice if I'm gonna make a video. No, if I open the engine without making a video at the end to show you the parts. Where am I now? Couple of parts here, couple of parts there, and a couple of parts over there. Okay. From where to start? Yeah, where you think is gonna be the seal of the thermostat? Here it's supposed to have a rubber seal, like what has the outer. Where you gonna think it's gonna be? Between the cylinders, right? Yep. On the cooling jacket. Then, this one, it was broken. I didn't break it. It's a stainless steel. I can weld it. There's no problem. I can easily weld. If it was an aluminum, I'm not that good on aluminum. Aluminum or aluminum, depends from where you are. So on a stainless steel, yes, I can weld it. I can. If the customer he wants to use this one again, I mean, this is fine. That's why I put here. Need to be washed. This need to be welded. I can weld it again and put it on at the end. Then, do not, whoever torqued down the collectors here, I mean, if he torqued it down with a pencil, it was very good torque down. If he torqued it down with a tool, he need to eat his breakfast because it wasn't torqued down properly. And that's why you see also this on the gaskets. I'm talking about especially these bolts, the upper one, the one that comes here and here. All right. Then coolant lines. Coolant lines, I believe that these are the original coolant lines from 2011. Do not expect to come out in one piece. Okay, we're gonna come in one piece, this one. All right. And this one, not this one. No, it's the older model and does have the aluminum one. It has all of them that have a plastic, and this one has the hose there. So, okay, obviously the O-rings are gone, the plastics are gone. One is stuck there inside. 1, 2, 3. Yes, all 3. The other one no, because aluminum. Then, why I took the phone? Ah, yes, that's why I have the filler case here. I'm stripping off this stainless steel piece. That's a safety for the nuts. Right, you see it on the bank one, I remove it, I remove also the other one low. And then I'm coming here on the bank two. And I opened the upper, I took it out, but I didn't remove the lower one. And I have a reason why I didn't remove the lower one. If you come over here, you see that something is wrong, something is not right. You see the gap there? If I get the filler cage, dang it. Just a second. Let's throw down the filler cage, why not, right? Okay, let's get the half millimeter. Yeah, why not? Half millimeter. It's also burned, the gasket. Okay, the half millimeter doesn't get inside. It is burned, the gasket, and one stud it's broken. You want to put a bed on it? As soon as I saw the opening, I already knew that. 0.35. Oh, come on, it should go inside. Dang it. You're gonna see when I'm gonna open it. Okay, go down to the 0.15. Stupid thing. Wait. All right, 0.15. It's not letting me go inside. No, it goes. So I put it where I'm pointing. I put it there. You're gonna see what I'm talking about when I'm gonna open it. You see here the gap, the Grand Canyon. You see that the gasket's burnt. All this happened because from the heat, from the temperatures, the back pressure with a combination of the heat of the temperature that's raising up in the manifold, it's happening that. See that? It's broken. Yay! Please note that I haven't touched it. Literally, I haven't touched it. It broke because this, you get stupid word. Okay, it's bent. It's not straight from the heat. It pulled. That's why it broke. There is a solution for that. And I have done this on the CLS outside. But I'm not going to say this on the video. And there is another one thing. When it's escaping gases from here, the engine goes better because it does have the same back pressure, it has less back pressure. But this is a different story. For an upgrade I'm talking about, for a tune application, not for a stock application. For a stock application, even the stock application is going to be better, but never mind. Now, let me pull out both turbos. This, it has to go in a box because this with the old parts that will going to be returned back to the customer. Same thing also with the coolant thermostat. I have to put a new one. Same thing also with the gaskets. Like I said earlier, the small gaskets for the oil return here, the O-rings for the oil feed over there, and so on. Moving on. Let me pull out the turbos. Where am I? Both turbos out. This is the gasket from the bank one. From here. Okay. And that's the gasket from the bank too. I was wrong. I mean, it was leaking, obviously. You see how it looks like. I mean, compare this one all the gases that you see with this one. I mean, that's number 8 cylinder, 7 and 6. The 6, it's okay. This is what you see, it's WD-40. I spray some WD-40 to be able to remove the nuts. So this is okay. This was not leaking. This obviously was leaking. I don't remember these knots to the gasket. Maybe these are the old gaskets. That's how does it looks like. Okay. Yeah, okay. Get that fuck out of there, please. Yeah. Ah, no, it's nothing. This was from the filler cage. Nothing, okay. Yeah, forget the gasket. Goes with the old parts back to the owner. And then we have a gift here. That's for me. It's not the first time. I can deal with that. Yeah, we have some carbon there inside. Yeah, lovely. Lovely. And we have also one valve, it's a little bit shiny. Now we can open this, we can see inside, right? Yeah. Alright, moving on. I'm not gonna be able to, sorry, to turn off the light. I'm not gonna be able to open it today because I have to leave. Let me see what time is it. It's 7 o'clock, yeah, half hour I have to leave today. I have to leave a bit earlier. But we can see wherever we're gonna reach and then we're gonna continue tomorrow. It doesn't matter the intercooler, I have to wash the intercooler, I have to wash the intake manifold. It doesn't matter. And I'm not blowing with her anything, I'm just removing parts. Move on. The turbos, it doesn't matter the turbos because we're gonna put upgrade turbos as far as I know, but I don't see any crack. At least that's why I put it like this, to see from the back. I don't see any crack. And I don't see any problem with the flap. It has some movement, but it's not that much critical. Okay, I have to get it back for that. This is a little bit too much. Yeah. Alright, it's okay. It's okay, it's not that bad. I've seen much worse. Yeah. Moving on. That's it for today, 7:25. I get the fuel injectors with the fuel rail back inside of the engine room. I tilt the engine to remove all this garbage, okay? They're gonna clean for me the guys here inside, so don't be like that, because it's disgusting, yeah? Classic, it does have the bracket here. When we're gonna fix it, we're gonna put all 4 brackets, not only the 2 rear, also the 2 front. Same thing also from the other side. What else? High pressure pumps, fuel rail, fuel injectors inside the engine room. The intake manifold. Let's see the valley. What does it look like? Like a shit. Ah, we have a gift here. We have one bolt. Hey. Oh boy. How long is that? With the old parts back to the customer. Belongs to him. To the owner. That's it for now. I don't know how many minutes it's the video. Maybe I'm gonna upload tomorrow all together. I'm gonna upload today. We're gonna see. We're gonna find out, right? Yeah. That's it. Thank you very much. Over and out. For today at least. Today, just a second, sorry. Today it's Wednesday. Like I said, May 29, 2024. Yeah. We continue tomorrow. Thank you. Over and out. Yeah, there are gonna be more seals, gaskets, and this kind of stuff here.